there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here are the Hey Dude shoes. This is in the color brown. I have seen these around for a while. I've seen people wearing them, seen people raving about them, but I didn't quite know why until we purchased a pair, and now I get it. I get the fan club. So these are really lightweight and they're super comfortable. They're easy to slip on. They are very durable. It's a quality product, and they have a really nice style to them as well. I would highly recommend these if you're looking for a shoe that you can go out on a casual basis, but it's not maybe a flip-flop. It's something a little bit nicer. It has a great tread on the bottom as well, and we really love these a lot. It's this neutral color, and it has a spotted sole to it, but these are so lightweight, you barely know that they're even on your feet. It has bungee straps here in the front, so you can easily adjust them. A really great quality pair of shoes, but that's just my point of view.